Hi, welcome back for another video about the Daily Advisor, part of the Akoonu RevWorks platform. In the overview, we talked about how the Daily Advisor works to help prioritize your actions of the day, and that it provides a summary digest for you. It also provides a list of recommended tasks and time blocks. Now, these are based on the analysis and reasoning of what it's seen in your activities and opportunities and pipeline. So it's going to be looking for urgent items or important items or things that might be missed or falling through the gap. So that's on the right-hand side. Under recommended tasks are specific things like this executive review call. I am logged in as the head of sales, so these are somewhat team-based as well. And these are recommended tasks, and just with one click, I can create an actual task inside of Salesforce. And it's pre-populated with all the information, the opportunity, the subject, the comments about why this is important. And maybe it's a task for me, maybe it's a task I want to create and assign to someone on my team. All with one click right from the recommended task list. Should I mention that you can mouse over and get additional details aside from just the name of the recommended task. Below the recommended tasks are recommended time blocks. So these are things that the LLM, the AI, has determined would be worth spending some time on. So critical deal intervention, pipeline review check, and so on. Again, with one click, I can create a new event. It's assigned to me by default. I could assign it to somebody else. I can add more information in here, change exactly when I want to do it. So a very easy way to go from the Daily Advisor and the recommended tasks and time blocks to actual tasks and actual events in your calendars. Thanks for joining me today to continue our discussion of the Daily Advisor.